Today in Ocean News, we're going to talk about winter fall protection. Scissor and aerial lift fall protection are important at all times of the year, but there's something about the change of seasons that really seems to get to workers. When the seasons change, more accidents happen. We've talked before about why that could be, but there isn't really any proven reason for why. However, if you are a worker who uses scissor lifts or aerial lifts of any kind, you know that fall protection is important at all times of year. Scissor and aerial lift operators will fall from a greater height if there is a fall, so it's important to use the proper equipment and to understand the proper procedures for avoiding falls and other accidents on the job. Fall gear is important. Harnesses are important, hard hats are important. You want to minimize the risk of death or serious injury if you do fall, so any kind of protective gear that you can use is always going to be important. Covering up holes in the ground or holes in a skylight or part of a ditch is super important to ensure that if someone falls out of an aerial lift or a scissor lift, they won't be injured even more than they would be already from the fall. And it's also important to ensure that when an operator is using an aerial lift, that there is someone on the ground, someone in the machine, and someone in the bucket at all times. Scissor lift safety training, and aerial lift safety training in general are available as part of online courses. You can learn more information about aerial lift training or training with scissor lifts, or just train the trainer or general courses at certifymeonline.net.